Baidnath liverol syrup, natural liver protector. Power of 21 herbs. Baidnath liverol syrup is a popular Ayurvedic formulation primarily used to protect liver cells, support detoxification, and manage overall digestive harmony. Backed by over a century of traditional healthcare experience from Sri Baidnath Ayurved Bhavan, it serves as a natural liver protector against free radicals, infections, and common toxins. Key benefits: liver protection helps protect liver cells from free radical damage and infections. Detoxification support assists the liver in efficiently filtering out toxins and waste products. Digestive relief restores natural metabolic balance, easing issues like indigestion, flatulence, and constipation. Appetite boost stimulates the appetite and enhances energy levels by normalizing bile juice secretion. Alcohol recovery aids in mitigating the physiological burden placed on the liver due to excessive alcohol or junk food intake. Core ingredients: the potent liquid formula combines key Ayurvedic herbs known for their multi dimensional clinical properties. Calmig, famous for its bitter profile, acting as an exceptional natural liver cleanser and anti inflammatory agent. Giloy, rich in antioxidants, it supports immune functions while protecting cellular liver structures. Mulethi provides soothing anti inflammatory benefits to clear up systemic internal heat. Kutki, historically relied upon in classical texts to naturally normalize elevated liver enzymes. Typical dosage and consumption: standard intake generally taken as 1 to 2 teaspoons, approximately 5 to 10 ml twice daily. Timing: best consumed after your main meals. Vehicles can be consumed directly, mixed with lukewarm water, or taken with milk as advised. Note: it is suitable for individuals about 12 years of age. Always follow a physician's guidance tailored to your specific health profile. Product variants and sourcing. The syrup is available across major sizes including 200 ml, 220 ml, 330 ml, and 450 ml bottles. You can readily purchase these variants through trusted medical platforms like Pharmacy, Apollo Pharmacy, and Tata 1mg.